Okay, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you label the title, the axes, count it up by what I asked you to, and plot the points of the data. So as you can see, I've already done that. Now you want to look at what direction the plots are going. So you can tell that they're going up and to the right. And notice that these 3 points are already in a line. So that should help you with your best fit line. Now to box out the data, you want to go in the same direction as those 3 points without touching them. So we're just going to box up the data, making the smallest box possible. Notice that my 2 lines are parallel to each other. And then I'm just going to box it up. Now to draw the best fit line, you want to make sure that you have the same amount of points on top as on bottom. And you don't necessarily need to go through any points, but if you do, that's awesome. So let's try to draw the best fit line. Okay, so it goes through not the same amount of points, so I'm going to redo it. It doesn't necessarily need to go through any points, but notice that I only had 2 on top and 3 on bottom, so I'm going to move it over a little bit to the right. And you may have to do this as many times as possible, and that's okay. Just make sure that you write it faintly until you got it right. Okay, so I'm okay with that line. Now let's read the directions. It says, based on your graph, how long would it take Judy to have worked in order to earn $85 in tips? So you go to 85 and you draw your line all the way to the best fit line. Okay? And then you move down. So mine is about 7.5 to 8 hours. Now notice it's not in a complete sentence, but that's just because I don't have the ability to type. So if you could put, it would take her 7.5 to 8 hours to earn $85 in tips. That'd be great. And then for number 4, based on your graph, if Judy works 10 hours, how much money would she work? Now you go to 10, you move all the way up. Notice that your line doesn't meet. So you're going to have to extend it a little bit. And you're going to go to where the best fit line is. And then you're going to go to the left. So this graph is actually not that good. So I will say it should be about $110. And that's if my graph was accurate. So that should be your answer. But the most important thing is you go up to where it intersects the best fit line and then move all the way over. Thanks.